First of all, I am thanking you, ma'am, for giving this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Saujanya. I am studied in Computer Science and Engineering at DNR College of Engineering, Andhra Pradesh. Now I am training in NxtWave CGPP as a full stack developer. I scored 7.3 CGPA. Coming to my family, there are 4 members in a family, including me. And my technical skills are I have hands-on experience with technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Python. Out of all this technology, I am strongly at Python, SQL, SQL, and I am able to communicate with new people and and be a good listener. And my hobbies are spending time with family and food, cooking, listening music. My strengths are I am a hard worker and I am self motivated. And coming to my goals, my short term goal is to become a good position where I place. My long term goal is to become a successful person and helps to others. Hi, today I want to explain my project about to-do list. To-do list allow user to create a list of tasks that they need to complete. The user can add the items like Python or C. Whatever items you want to add, you should add. The user can add items or delete the items like this. The application also provide a way to user to mark mark task as complete as filter. In this to-do application, I used some programming languages like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Here, HTML is used to create the basic structure of a web page. The main concept of this HTML files includes the header, input form, and text list. The header contains the title of the application, where the input from is used, and adding new tasks to the list. The task list is used to display all the tasks included their complete status, like this. Next to in CSS. In this to-do list, I use CSS. The CSS is used to style the elements to make the application look visible applied. They are including settings the font size or font color or color padding and margin of a various elements of this page is also used to create effects. The task items include the user that the item can be clicked to edit or to delete. Application I also helped the JavaScript. In JavaScript is used to handle the functionalities of this application. This includes adding elements and deleting elements from the list, as well as the market test as complete or incomplete. Where user enter a new task into the new input form, the JavaScript creates a new task items and add it to the task list. When user clicks on the task item like this, task item, the JavaScript allows the user to edit or delete the item. Edit or delete the item like this. Delete the item. The JavaScript also allows the user to filter the task list by completing or uncompleting the task to implement the features of DOM document. DOM. DOM means document object model manipulation to interact with the HTML element on this page. It also uses every listener to delete user input as respond accordingly. For example, when a user click on add task button to the like SQL. Add the task button to click listen for the click event and the click a new task item and add it to the task list conclusion. This to-do list this to-do web application is a good example of how HTML, CSS, JavaScript can be used together